You will love these mini cakes. It's so easy and so fast to make them, and they're full of lemon flavor. So first thing first, we need to take zest of the lemon and juice the lemon and put it aside for a while. Then we take eggs and sugar and whip eggs for a few minutes so they will become light and fluffy consistency. At the same time, while our eggs are mixing with sugar, we take milk, olive oil and mix together very well. Then we take our lemon juice, mix it in with the oil and milk and add there our lemon zest and mix together. When our eggs are ready, add our milk mixture into the eggs and whip together. Then take your flour and baking powder, mix together and add to the eggs mixture. And mix it for a short time. As soon as the flour mixed in, that's it, stop the mixer. And I checked with my whisk, so nothing stuck in the bottom of my bowl. Now we need to prepare our forms. You can use any forms you need, any forms you have, any forms you want. Anything, any size. So if you're using silicone form, you don't need to oil it. I am using this mini loaf form, so I oiled it a little bit and then I wiped it with the paper towel. We just need just a thin level of the oil, we don't need much. And then pour your butter into the form and put in the preheated oven. The time depends on how big or how small your forms are. So because my forms are a little bigger and heavier, so it took me about 20-25 minutes. If your forms are smaller, so it will take you about 12-15 minutes to bake your cakes. Take them out of the oven. They should rise a little, they should change the color, they should become yellow and golden color. Let them cool a little bit in the form, take them out of the form and they are ready. You can mix lemon juice and powdered sugar and glaze your cakes, or like me, you can just use the powdered sugar on top. They are amazing. They are so crumbly, they are so moist, they are delicious, full of lemon flavor and so easy to make. You have to make them, guys. They are delicious. I hope you like this recipe and I'll see you in my next video.